Hello guys! Mag-unboxing po tayo ulit. Ito po yung ating unboxing from Charo Reyes. So may gift po siya sa akin ulit guys. So buksan na natin. Ano kaya to? Another gift from Charo. Look at this. So nice. It's a bag. Again guys, it's a bag. It's a bag. Yeah, I like the color. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. It's nice and have also a small wallet out there. And it's very cute guys. Look at this. When you are going, you can use it also in, see, they have a smooth packet inside as well. Ayan. Shout out kay Ate Charo. Yes, thank you so much. Pwede nyo din siyang ilak dito guys. May small part siya dito. And insert mo lang. Wow, it's so cute. It's a cute bag. Look, I love the color. See? Ano kaya ang pwede nating i-partner nito guys? Taran! Shout out kay Ate Charo. Thank you so much. God bless you more. Ayan guys. So, yan po yung ating unboxing. May bagong bag na naman sila ni Pedro guys. So, thank you so much po. And sa support, love and support, Team Bayot Squad, Smuso family, and also Team Sabris, maraming salamat sa inyo. Yun lang po guys ang ating unboxing for today. Galing ko pa lang sa guys, sa trabaho. So medyo may ano pa. Yan, buhok ko. Kasi kailangan magtali. So shout out everyone and to all members also. Big love shout out. And Happy New Year sana sa bagong taon na to ay tayo ay masayang lahat at sana yung mga bad things na ating naranasan noong 2020 sana ay wala na yun. Doon na siya tumira sa 2020. Sana. Ayan. So yan guys. Bye. See you all and see you in my next video. Okay? Bye.